Hello, today we are going to see how to do data extraction web scraping from websites. Here we are going to use a Selenium package to do the data extraction from any website data. So first you have to install the Selenium, and once you installed, import this library, WebDriver and the services, Chrome services service. Okay, and connect the service and the WebDriver for a data extraction. So I have already executed this command. Let me execute again once. And today we are going to use this website for extracting the data. Let me quickly show you the website. What is the website I'm going to use for data extraction? This is the website I'm going to use for data extraction, University of Cambridge and Business and Enterprises. So from this website we are going to pass or extract all the data using the Selenium. Let me run this command, and here you can see I'm passing my URL to the driver. For that you have to use this command driver.get, pass the URL, and driver.page source for getting the data from the page source. Let me print that data. So this is the full HTML tag and also the data. So this is looks like messy, right? We need only the data, how the pages are looking, only the data. Here we are not seeing any HTML tags and all, right? So we have to do the cleanup. So for cleaning, do the cleanup activity, I'm using the beautiful soup and also the regex. So I'm just passing my data, extracted data to the beautiful soup, and then I'm using regex pattern to remove the slash, new line, and the extra space and all. Let me quickly run this. So here you can see now it's look like awesome. The data are looking good, right? Compared to these HTML tags, all and all in removed using the beautiful. If you here, if you pause as a HTML dot parser, it will remove all the. It will get only the text from the HTML page. Let's validate how that extraction would be. So let me search this word. Cambridge means business. Whether that our extraction is good or not, we can see. So here you can see this is one, this is full HTML page data, and this is the cleanup data. So the data is present. So here you can see Cambridge means business and gravity, start with gravity, the jet engine. See, you can see all the data are extracted. Just try it out your side, and if you face any issues, please let me know.